Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this gorgeous eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with this Juvia's Place. This is a eyeliner and an eyebrow filler. I have two colors. I have a black and a brown for my eyebrows. I'm going to use brown because that's always like more natural to me. And so I just filled in the tips of my eyebrows. And what I'm doing now is just applying my matte makeup primer and then putting a little concealer over that on my eyelid. And now I'm just using my concealer and I'm outlining my eyebrows. I'm just going with the natural shape of them, not trying to do anything too fancy, but I'm just going to outline my eyebrows on the top and on the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to use my angled brush to blend the concealer on my eyebrows up so that it'll help better blend everything together at the end of the video. So as you can see, I'm just slightly blending it upwards, and then at the bottom I'm just going to blend it going down and into my eyelid, because as you can see I've already started to base my eyelid with my concealer. So I'm going to use this brush to pat the concealer in. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my orange color. This is like a lighter orange, and I'm just going to apply it all the way to the inside of my eye lightly. And as you can see, I'm going to be altering the way I hold the brush, because if you don't know, when you're holding the brush, if you're holding it closer to your eye, you're applying more pressure. If you are holding it more away from your eye, then you're applying less pressure, which causes you to lightly apply product. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, um, yeah, as you can see, I'm just doing small circles. I'm just gonna keep adding this color, until it gets to the color that I want. Alright, and so in the same palette, which is my Under the Sea palette, I'm going to use the brighter orange, and I'm just going to lightly apply it over the darker orange that I applied before, just to get the orangish look that I'm going for. Next, I'm going to get my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go for this dark brown, and I'm going to add it more so in the outer corner. I'm not going to bring it like all the way into my crease. I'm just going to do like a little outer corner color. And this area I want it to be dark. So as you can see, you'll notice me applying it just to try to get it darker, just so it'll be the color that I want. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place, the Saharian palette, and I'm going to use the color black. Now with this black, you got to be very careful, y'all, because it's very pigmented. So that's why you see me just dabbing it on there. And before I put it on my eyelid, I did blow out the brush a little bit, because I wanted to be able to control how much black I put on my eyelid, because it can look kind of too dark, and that's not what I want. I want it to be like a dark brown. So that's why I added a little bit of black on top of that. So now I'm going to go back in with my concealer to do my cut crease, and I'm going to be using my angle brush again, and I'm just going to outline my crease with my concealer, which is really easy once you get the hang of it. So like you can see, I'm just applying it. Alright, so now as you can see, I'm just patting the concealer in my eye because, of course, it's the cream. So I just want to let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to use my Gem palette. I got this from my beauty supply store for like $1.99. And I'm going to use this sparkly whitish in the middle. And I'm going to begin to apply it on my lid. Now, I don't want it too heavy, but I want it to show up very nicely. So I'm going to show you guys how I control that. So what I like to do first is kind of go along the actual crease line and see. I'm using my fluffy brush just to dust off a little bit of the product so it won't be too much, so it won't be too white. So anyways, as you can see, I'm going along the cut crease that I created just to apply the color on there. Make sure it's on there nice and good, and I'm just going to bring it down and apply it to the rest of my lids. So once the white is applied, y'all, I'm gonna go in and add some more of the orange color, and this is gonna be like my transition color. So I'm gonna put it between the black slash brown and the white. I'm just going to pat that in circles, and you'll see me doing mini circles just because I want it to blend together very nicely. So I'm just going to do that to both eyes. And y'all, excuse the gel down there on my sideburns. Like, girl, I'm sorry. But anyways, just go ahead and, focus on the eye tutorial. So I use that color as a transition color, and then I'm going to go put a little bit of orange on top of that like I did before, just to blend that together. Alright, y'all, so for the eyeshadow, that's it. Voila, this is how that looks. Very nice. I love the way it turned out. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my face now. I'm going to add this top liner. So I still struggle with top liner, y'all. Like, I'm not even going to lie. So for this look, though, I don't want like a wing liner. I just want a regular top liner. So that's why you see me here struggling to put that on and struggling to get the line straight. So after that, what I'm going to do is just add a little mascara to my lashes because I did get eyeshadow on my lashes, and I do want them to be black for when I put on my lashes. These are the lashes that I'm using. Actually, I ended up switching styles because I didn't like how that style looked with this look. But this is how the lashes ended up looking. I will list the link to these lashes below. They're actually on sale right now on my site. So go ahead and head over and check that out. So to make me look more awake, I'm just going to add a little concealer under my eye and just blend that in. Oh, regular. Blend that in with my beauty blender, and that's just going to make me look more awake. So before I finish my face, I'm just going to take care of these edges, girl, because y'all, I thought this style would last longer than it did, but whatever. I'll be doing a little update on this hair very soon. If you want to see how I did this hairstyle and everything, I will list that below, but it's coming out soon, and I'm gonna get like some individual box braids. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just controlling these edges, girl, just slicking them back, and then I'm gonna put my scarf on it. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place foundation, y'all. This is in the color Kenya. Y'all, I love Juvia's Place products. Their foundation, their eyeshadow, their brushes, like it's all good. I really, really recommend Juvia's Place. And they have a lot of sales too. It's really hard for me to stay off their site because I'm always trying to order something new. So go ahead and check them out. So as you can see, I'm just blending everything in. Make sure I get my eyebrows real good and everything. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a little highlight. This is a highlight palette that my friend, my bestie, got me for, I think it was Christmas. Yep, it was. And y'all, this junk is good. So I love it. So I'm just gonna use my little blending brush just to apply it and blend it in on my cheeks. So I give y'all a little bazam, bazoom. You know what I'm saying? Just to finish the look or whatever. And boom, look at it. Look at it. This is how it turned out, y'all. I love, love, love this eyeshadow look. It's so natural and neutral. It can go with multiple things. Let me know what y'all think about this eyeshadow look. And I will be doing more eyeshadow tutorials as well. But let's keep watching. Okay, y'all, so just in case you want to do this look, but you don't want to wear lashes, this is how it will look. I just took the lashes off, but it's still really, really pretty, y'all. Like, I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys like this video. I will be doing more tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, really subscribe to my channel. Like, for real, for real. And follow me on Instagram too, y'all, because I'm trying to build my following on Instagram. So my Instagram is at Slayed by Tamia. Follow me. And yeah, that's it. I'll talk to y'all later.